Hello students, class 9. In this video we will discuss textual questions, short answer type, broad answer type questions that have been supplied to you uh, through WhatsApp. Class 9. First short answer type question is, give the name of a country having one party rule. Then China has only one party rule. There is only one party rule in China, and one party system, bi-party system and multi-party system, political systems exist in the world. In India we have multi-party system. In Great Britain and in America people have bi-party system. दो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अमेरिका में, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका में है, और इंग्लैंड में भी दो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, लेकिन हमारे इंडिया में मल्टी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सिस्टम इज देयर. इन चाइना सिंगल पार्टी सिस्टम इज देयर. इट इज़ नॉट ए model of democracy in China if it is only one party. Next question, which party system that is found in the United States of America? Then which party system is found in the USA? Bi-party system. Next, mention the two characteristics of political party. Political party has four characteristics, but you are to write only two characteristics as per the question asked. But I will tell here four characteristics. Political party is an organization. Political party has some principles, ideals and planning. Political party has aspiration for grabbing power. Political party next characteristics has regard for national interest. These are the characteristics out of, if 2 ask then 2, if 4 ask then 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अगर 4 पूछेंगे तो आप 4 लिख सकते हैं, 2 पूछेंगे तो 2 लिख सकते हैं. वट एवर मे बी द मोड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन यू कैन आंसर लाइक दैट. देन मेंशन द चीफ फंक्शन ऑफ ए पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. मेंशन द चीफ फंक्शन. व्हाट इज द चीफ फंक्शन of a political party? The chief function of a political party is to win the majority seats in the legislature and to form the government. This is the main target of a political party, to win the majority seats and grab political power of the country. This is the chief you see. Next is, mention the name of a regional political party of Assam. There are two types of political parties in India. You see, national political party and regional political party or state political party. National political party do political activities throughout the nation, but regional political party is confined to a particular region and it does political activities in a particular region for the development of that particular region. And the regional political party of Assam is of Assam Gan Parishad and Bodoland People's Front. उधर एक और है. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द चीफ रीजनल पार्टी ऑफ झारखंड. झारखंड हैज वन चीफ रीजनल पार्टी, झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा. गिव द फुल टर्म ऑफ यूपीए. The full term of UPA or the full form of UPA is you see, United Progressive Alliance, led by Congress. Next is, which is the first political party of India? Indian National Congress is the first political party of India. It was formed in 1885. Muslim League is the second political party of India. It was formed in 1906. And Hindu Mahasabha is the third political party of India. It was formed in 1916. And next political party is Swaraj Party. It was formed by Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. And next political party was formed in 1924 and it is CPI, Communist Party of India. तो इस तरीके से फर्स्ट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस है. नेक्स्ट इज, under whose leadership the Indian Association was formed. In history in history, while discussing you see history, we discussed the formation of Indian Association by Surendranath Banerjee in 1876, and after that in 1885 the you see 1885 Indian National Congress was formed. Then next is, who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Indian National Congress was formed in 1885 and the first president of Indian National Congress was Umesh Chandra Banerjee. What is the chief characteristics of Indian political system? Chief characteristics of Indian political system. The chief characteristics of Indian political system is parliamentary democratic republic is the chief. Parliamentary democratic republic is the chief. You see, you see characteristics of chief characteristics of Indian political system. It is based on federal structure of the government, but its spirit is unitary. It has unitary spirit. तो इस तरीके से ये शॉर्ट आंसर है, आप इसको याद कीजिए और वीडियोस हम सोचते हैं बनाएं आपसे इंटरेक्शन करके आपको चैप्टर समझाएं. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस टाइम.